So I've seen this hack in a number of places on social media, but I haven't seen a video for it yet. So we're going to show you how to add to this library of images that you can use as your background so people don't see this in your Teams meetings. Currently, if you click on the ellipses and choose Show Background Effects, Microsoft has about 25 different choices for backgrounds. But if you'd like to add additional images to that library, I'm going to show you where you need to place those. This is where you need to place those images. So you're going to come into File Explorer, and you're going to find your local drive C, and click on Users, and find yourself. Click on your username. At this point you need to click on View, and make sure that you have hidden items showing, because if you don't, then you won't see app data. And app data is what you need. If you're worried about where we clicked and which folder is in which folder and how we got here, right at the top of the window here is the breadcrumbs, where it says this PC, and then we chose local disk C, and then users, and then my username, dad times 8, and app data. It will show you the order that we clicked on things, and it will continue building this out until we get to the subfolder that we need to put our pictures in. And here you'll go into roaming, and then Microsoft, not Microsoft Teams, but Microsoft. Once you're in Microsoft, scroll down to Teams, and then backgrounds, and you have one more that is upload. You might recognize some of these as images that are currently available in Teams, but we're going to go into the uploads folder, and here's where you place those. We're also going to show you how to get a bunch of images that are formatted correctly. So I happen to already have a PowerPoint full of background images that I use for comics and storyboards. We're also going to show you how to get images that are formatted to the correct dimensions. If you click on the Design tab within PowerPoint, you have Format Background, and one of your options there is to insert a picture. And also under your Design tab, you have Slide Size. And if you choose just the standard widescreen, then that will give you the right dimensions. So I'm going to come up here to File, and I'm going to export these images. And I'm going to change my file type to PNG. And when I click Save As, it's going to ask me where I want to save it to. And this is where I'm going to go through those steps again. I'm going to choose my local drive. I'm going to choose Users, and this is me, dad times 8. There's my app data, roaming, Microsoft, scroll down to Teams, backgrounds, and uploads. So I'm going to save all these slides. Now I need to go to that folder and select all, and I'm going to move them into the uploads folder, out of the backgrounds subfolder. So now this is empty. Now when I come back into Teams, click on Show Background Effects. It might take a moment for them to load for you. Initially I get little black boxes, but if I wait about 30 seconds, they all process. But that's because I moved so many in at one time. So here's the standard Microsoft ones. Let's grab one of those to get me off screen. And here's my parks, and my classrooms, and my kitchens, and my beach, and my pool, and more classrooms. So now, as long as I'm using the desktop version of Teams, because this doesn't exist on the online version of Teams, I have now loaded all of these extra background images onto this device. They're saved only on this device. If I go to another device, I'm not going to have those saved there unless I go through that same process again. But this is how you can customize your background in Microsoft Teams on your device. Have fun.